tracking your time, whether you're billing it to customers or whether you're just tracking your time of how your day is spent, is pretty easy using the Toggl program. So let me just show you a few things here that might be of benefit to you. Now, first thing I want you to notice here, for example, yesterday, um, you see all of the time entries, right? This is all still yesterday's entries up until here, right? So it just logs everything individually. Let me show you how simple that can actually be. So we can use a timer, we can do it manually. Usually I use the timer. Let's say I wanted to log email, for example. I could just click on email. Now I already have it preset here in the projects to go here to a time bracket I call operational. This could be a customer name, right, that I'm working on, or a client that I have. And here you can see the projects that I've set up. So here are some of them. I broke them down in basically into categories, right? Customer facing, direct customer, indirect customer, internal, and operational. And I can also click on here and create a new project and the client's name. So this is really intended to be used for a client. For example, I don't know, the Department of Veterans Affairs would be the client, and the project names would be CPRS or any number of their projects that they use within the VA would be the project. But I use it a little bit differently in the sense that I put in customers and do it a little different. So just to enter, this is done. I just hit done, and then that entry will show up on my log for the day, which I don't know where it is. It should have been right there at the top. um, and it'll show up. So I just refresh to see where it went. Maybe I had it. Oh, there it is right there. Okay. So you have 56 seconds here, and it tells you the time. Okay. If I want to continue and do this task again, I can hit there, or I can just hit, let's just say I want to do any task. Let's just say I want to do this one here. I just click on it. It automatically puts it in and puts what the task is and starts the timer. And there it goes. So I can delete those easily by just clicking on them. I can do multiple or just one, and I can get rid of those. So that's pretty easy task entry. The key is to select your projects and how you want them, how you want to create the project and the customer, the client. So that becomes easy. Then when I'm just kind of bouncing between stuff, oh, I got a call. Okay. Oh, I'm going to do email. I just click on here real quick. Oh, I'm done with email. Great. I hit stop. So it's really that fast, and I just kind of keep it down there in my browser, in my window, so that I always just flip over to it when I need it. The other nice thing just here in summary are the reports. So here I can print out a report of what I've done this week, and where my time has gone. So let me show you. It's probably best just to download it as a PDF file and let you see what that PDF looks like. So here, the PDF file shows exactly what I have done for the week, the hours that I put in, the clients, right? How I've done that. It also lists kind of some of those time entries, and then it breaks it down and lists every single time entry by the duration spent on that person. So here, for example, customer facing, 11 minutes. All right, so these are just examples of how this would work in your environment. Then you can send that report or just keep that report so you can track what you're doing. You can also use it to track your daily activities, and look at it for the week just for yourself and say, hey, I could be more efficient doing this. And so the only way you can really know if you can be more efficient is to actually track what you're doing, and then you'll know. All right, and then detailed report here just goes into all of the details that you've done for that period of time, and you can print all that and take a look at that. And that shows all the dates, times, everything of that nature. So very good product. Toggl is the name of the product, and it's great for tracking time.